everyone, welcome to Zesty Eats. Today we're gonna cook shrimp coconut curry. At first, in a pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Add thinly sliced onion. I took about 1 medium-sized onion. Saute it until the onion turns translucent. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, which will give you the kick you need for this curry. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Season with salt as per your taste. I added about 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1.5 cups of chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes actually make everything taste good. It gives a rich flavor and a beautiful vibrant color. Cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. See, now tomatoes are perfectly cooked. At this point, we're gonna add our yummy coconut milk. You can find coconut milk in any local farmers market. Cover it and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. You need to stir in between just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once you open the lid, simmer it for another 4 to 5 minutes just to make the gravy a little bit thicker. Now add the star of our dish, the shrimp. I took about 2 pounds of headless shrimp. You can cook this dish with head-on shrimp too. Cover it and let it cook for a couple more minutes to make the shrimp cook properly. Wow, look at the dish now. It looks so yummy. Before serving, garnish with cilantro and of course, green chilies. Now the best part, it's time to eat. You can serve this dish with white rice. I hope you'll try to make this dish at home and enjoy with your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zesty Eats. Thank you.